Sometimes you strike out before you even get started. That's what we got here today. So, this is the Atari 2600 4-switcher. There's the Woody. There's the wood grain. The Vader type is all black. Moving this puppy over, it is dirty. There's some plastic chips. Some kind of erosion, maybe a burn. We can figure that out. To be cleaned. Missing a screw. Someone's been in here. But yeah, we're going to do a composite mod on this because all it has right now is RF, and my TV doesn't work with that. Most of us, I have flat panel TV now, LCD. Doesn't work with RF. Yeah, let's take this puppy apart. Let's get started. Okay, best way to take these apart, start at the front, push up with your thumbs. The lid will come off with the board still attached. Best to try that to release. television. Well, nice to know the shields are in great shape in this thing. Yeah, it's a little dirty on the inside. I should be able to get that center part out. Get some repairs done. Going to need this cable after I'm done. And as you can see, it's a mess in there too. Take care of that with some dish soap. Now, let's take a good look. These boards are older, so you watch for the electrolytic capacitors. You got one here, and one here. And you can see this or not. All that junk right in this area in here. This cap is locked, it has leaked. So I'm gonna have to do a recapping on the board as well. And as it so happens, I got one of those kits standing by too. So why don't we get on that real quick, and we'll get back onto the mod that we're working on. I'll be right back. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to take this one off, this one off, this one off, and this one off. I'm going to replace this too, screw here. That's the 5-volt power regulator. I don't have soldering grade. Okay, so we're going to try from a little bit of a different angle here. Well, that there is not good. Pull the trace right off the board. Better in this one. You can see the trace right here on this thing. Alright. As you can see, I got all three of them out. But I had a bit of a problem. Both traces, her bottom trace lifted off that. Top. And the trace just lift it off the top. Pretty damn close. Look at that. Pretty damn close. I think that will do. So, in testing the Atari, after we got everything hooked up, as you saw, we found out that there is absolutely nothing coming from the machine at all. Unfortunately, I don't have any testing gear with me. I'm staying at Mom's house right now. Yes, for the moment, I am a cellar dweller, but I'm here taking care of Mom. She's older, and I have the opportunity to take care of my mom, which I think is something that we should do as a people. We should take care of our elders. So, that said, we will revisit this at a later time, another video, when I have the oscilloscope and all the other stuff that I need to test the chips and all that. Unfortunately, part of the video you'll see in there, we, as you saw, we had an issue with some traces around the power regulator, so that's possibly part of the issue. We are getting some audio out, but it's garbled at best. That I don't have much of a testing cartridge either. It's not even sure if that works. But because of the television I had, I didn't have an opportunity or a way to test it initially. So, did we waste some time? Maybe, but I believe any machine can be brought back. So that's what we're going to try to do. Thanks for watching. New channel, so wide open to subscriptions. Please subscribe. Go ahead and throw us a like. A little thumbs up. That always helps. I do have a Patreon page set up, but and the website, of course, is rattlebunny.com. So thanks for watching this episode of Rattle Bunny's Den. We'll be seeing what's up next. I believe the next project we'll be working on is probably Ashley's Game Gear. That one, at least, I know it works. It just needs capacitors in a big way. So, once again, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.